Which duplicate files and folders finders exist for Windows? I need a free duplicate file finder/remover app, with ability to find duplicate files/folders by name and/or by size and to remove one of duplicates.
There was this duplicate file finder available for some time, but now it's only on secondary sites, like this Softpedia reference. The WhereSeeker site shows the correct reference, http://dff.notstrash.com/, which is no longer around. I would be careful fetching executables from such sites though. It can do search for duplicates within multiple directory trees based on contents. I think it does a MD5 match. Size, name and size, contents and name. And it lets you filter your search by a minimum and maximum file size, speeds up things when you know the bounds. A very thoughtful piece of software. Don't know if there is something as fast and featured for free around these days. The comments refer to a similar SourceForge tool called Doubles.
I have tried literally dozens of duplicate file finders. I still have the installers/zip files for about 20 of them sitting around. I used CloneMaster 2.19 for a time because it was the best one I could find, though even that wasn't perfect. I wanted one that could also detect duplicate MP3s by audio content, ignoring the tags. All of them had problems that frustrated me enough that I decided to write my own and laid out a list of the features I demand of a DFF. And then I found OldUp. It is the first and only one that actually made me abandon a project. Technically mine isn't completely abandoned, it's just no longer being worked on since I don't need to write it anymore because OldUp does everything I want of it. Anyway, OldUp searches for duplicate files, but unlike the others, it uses a lot of the tricks and techniques that I was going to use in my own DFF. As such, it is very fast. It can, for example, scan in GT 250,000 of sizes from 1b5 GB until 30 minutes. I have done it on my system several times. Another great, and for some reason rare, feature of OldUp is, as I mentioned, that it can scan for duplicate MP3s by their actually audio data while ignoring tags. So two MP3s that are the same but have differing tags, very common when downloading, will be detected as duplicates. It could even detect when I rip two identical songs from two different CDs, with different tags of course. Of course it can detect dupes based on other factors besides byte-for-byte content, like file names, dates, etc. Other great features of OldUp include the ability to filter, include or exclude, based on file name and/or folder name and/or file size. The results screen is also very versatile with options to select files based on date, path, name, this, that, the other. It also has variety in what to do with detected duplicates. Michael Thumra is also very receptive. I have reported bugs and suggested features to him several times which he addressed extremely quickly, to the point that he told me to download and try out a beta with the updates in the very next emails the same day. Oh, and it's free. HTH.
Duplicate Cleaner is very fast and it has extensive result set filtering possibilities.
Clones me this URL. I find this very helpful and more useful than Double Killer. A particularly nice feature is the polls feature, where you can compare one group of directories with another group of directories while ignoring duplicates within the groups. For example, my partner likes to keep duplicate image files while working with images. I want to see if I have any copies of those files in my directories. Pool 1, Partner Home Directory. Pool 2, My Home Directory. The only duplicates found are if a file is present both in my directories and my partner's directories. The files only duplicated in my partner's directories are ignored.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.